My name is Jason, I'm 28, and this is day 12 on TRT. But first up, we gotta have our protein. I got some protein waffles here, 12 grams per serving. I like to double up my servings. Since you're watching this video, you're probably interested in starting testosterone yourself, and you're probably wondering, well, how is the first few days going to feel like? Well, that's why I'm making this video. And I will say that the first couple days, you have this placebo effect, and since you just shot up your testosterone, you feel good and you feel motivated and confident, and that kind of boosts your energy a lot. And so you're going to feel that the first few days, and then day 4 and 5, that's when I really noticed the sleep getting a lot better. I've noticed a lot more vivid dreams, and I do suffer from insomnia, but I've never had consecutive vivid dreams in a row like I have just last night. And so that's another thing I've really noticed is those dreams. The sleep quality is getting a lot better. I'm in that REM, that deep sleep, so it's been helping with that a ton. Day 12 and yesterday, which was day 11, I noticed that my appetite has increased. I feel like I'm just more hungry all the time, and I have a cookie and some ice cream and more chips every now and then. I'm not scared to eat junk food because, well, I'm just going to burn it off. My metabolism is increased because I have more testosterone in my body. So I noticed those 3 things. And then another thing I notice is the nighttime erections. I'm getting more of that. However, it's inconsistent. It's on and off. One day I have it, one day I don't. That's number 4 that I noticed. And the last thing I noticed was increased aggression. I'm having more, I guess, mood swings. It's not like roid rage or anything like that. Nothing severe. Just a little more agitation, I'd say. Not gonna lie, I was pretty nervous to start this journey, but then I realized that this is a prescription prescribed by my doctor. I'm being monitored, and it's something naturally produced in the body. And if you want to know how I'm doing, subscribe and check in every single week. I'll be doing an update. I'm going to share my side effects, the benefits I'm feeling from TRT, and also I do a lot of natural protocols on this channel, so there's something to learn in every single video. Thank you all for watching, and until the next one, peace out.